Today we are going to talk about extended ER features, part of database management system course. The extended entity relationship model is an extension of the basic ER model that includes additional features for representing more complex relationships and constraints in a database. Some of the extended ER features that are commonly used include specialization and generalization. These features allow entities to be organized into hierarchical relationships with more specific entities being derived from more general ones. For example, a vehicle entity could be specialized into car and truck entities, with the car and truck entities inheriting attributes and relationships from the vehicle entity. Aggregation. This feature allows entities to be grouped into composite entities, with the composite entities being treated as a single entity in the database. For example, an order entity might be composed of multiple line items, with the order entity representing the overall order and the line item entities representing the individual items in the order. Inheritance. This feature allows entities to inherit attributes and relationships from a parent entity. This can be used to represent relationships between entities that have a supertype-subtype relationship, such as the relationship between a vehicle and car and truck entities. Constraints. The extended ER model includes additional constraints that can be used to define the relationships between entities and to ensure the integrity and correctness of the data in the database. These constraints include existence dependencies, subset dependencies, and overlap dependencies. By using the extended ER features, it is possible to represent more complex relationships and constraints in a database, and to design a database that is more flexible and scalable. The extended ER model is a useful tool for designing and organizing complex databases and can help to ensure that the database is structured in a way that is efficient and easy to use. Thank you for watching.